Hello, my name is Jerome Macabeo, and I'm a customer service supervisor here at Lihue Station. The word Lokahi is the balance and respect of the people and the land, and unity of the people and the land. We need to respect our land in order to make sure that we can survive and be sustainable as a people. I've been making coconut baskets and leis since I was about 10 years old. My grandfather showed me how to climb the tree, clean the leaf, and weave the baskets. He was also big on making sure that we share the knowledge of what we have and make sure that we can pass it on to every generation. We definitely need to make sure that the Hawaiian culture is also preserved, because you don't see these kinds of things happening every day. My wife makes leis for me and my children when we used to dance hula. Symbolism of the lei is love, unity, and what binds us all together. Every strand that's braided together symbolizes how we are locked together. What I love about Southwest, they had the same aloha spirit. The golden rule is #1 for them, and it is the way how we do it. It's the way of aloha. We know we live in paradise, and it's important for us to share that with other people, but also demonstrate the delicate balance that needs to be preserved in the Hawaiian Islands. And the way we show love and how to demonstrate that is to make sure we educate visitors on how we treat our land, how our cultures were done in the day. So in order to preserve Hawaiian culture, we need to share it.